Welcome to Brighton Beach, where we're going to be going to the parade of trains. I love this event. It's so fun. But there's a BU gate car coming in now, and we're going to get on it. So, yes, we're going to get on this train.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new to the channel. If you are new, then my name is Eli, also known as TradeFetter 101. I am a native New Yorker, and I like trains.
And boy, is it cool.
Most stuff relating to trains I like, which is why I started this channel as an outlet for me and other people with interest in trains to just do stuff, I guess. And yeah, so today we are at the Parade of Trains 2025. We're going to be riding some old, now retired trains around between Brighton Beach and Kings Highway on the B&Q lines on the Express B train track going non-stop. We are currently on a Brooklyn Union Gate car. The next stop will be Kings Highway. Welcome aboard, and welcome aboard the TradeFetter 101 train. I am really fond of these cars. I think they're really nice. They're really cool, and they're a nice element of history, and they're also over 100 years old, which is kind of crazy to think about. Anyways, let's make our way past Streets Bay all the way down to Kings Highway.
We're getting into Kings Highway now. I think I'm going to try to ride the train of many metals, mainly because I like the trains on the train of many metals. Or maybe we'll do a return trip on this. I don't know. One or the other. Oh, wow. What? Oh, there must be a, is that the BMT standard? Yep.
Yes, it is.
Horns are super high pitched. I don't know if you caught it, but they're very high pitched. You know what? Screw it. Let's do the return trip on this.
Why not? Am I right? Kings Highway Station. That was quick.
Alright, I'll see you guys when we're leaving Kings Highway again. I have acquired prime standing room at the back of the train.
Here we go.
And here we go. Earlier, I was wondering why they weren't using both platforms to turn trains around in Kings Highway, but I guess that explains it, because it seems like there aren't tracks. There isn't a track connection to get from the Coney Island bound or Brighton Beach bound track in Kings Highway to the Manhattan bound track. Oh look, it's the train of many metals.
I love most of the trains of the train of many metals.
That'll be awesome to ride.
I don't know why, but I'm not that fond of the Arnines. Like in the R10s, like 30s and 40s trains I've never liked, and I do not know why, but I suppose that's the truth, and you can't really change that, can you? Anyways, here's Sheepshead Bay.
Alright, so when we get to Brighton Beach, we're going to get off the train, and I think trying to get the train of many metals, probably.
That would be fun, for sure.
I wonder where the BMT standards are, though.
And here we've got an R46Q train that's moving slowly for some weird reason.
Wonder why that Q train's going so slow. I know why we are, because we have to go over the switches. It doesn't have switches, though, so I don't know. Maybe it's the curves here. I mean, it is a 75-footer, so that wouldn't shock me.
If any of you know, let me know down in the comments section below.
You gonna wait. Johnny, hold hands. We don't have Johnny.
They're not getting on. This our stop.
All right. Yeah.
Let's get off the train here. Alright, and that was the Brooklyn
I
Union
wanted to
Gate.
get a shot of the gate cars leaving, so see you when it's leaving.
There's the R11. I guess the driver wanted to give us lots of horns. Whatever. I suppose they could do that if they want to. And here we've got some Arnines.
There's the train of many metals arriving. We're gonna get on it soon.
Or maybe our
Walkie-talkie
tanks. I don't know.
is like something. Oh, here we go, finally.
I cut it out, but it's been a rather long time, so that's what I'd say, like finally and whatnot.
Alright, now we have a train of many metals to catch. Let's do this. See you there. We're scheduled to leave. It's been a while at this point. Alright, here we go, I think. Alright.
Here we go.
Let's have a look around these trains, shall we? So, first thing, these are much nicer for passengers than the first ones. I mean, they have fans. No AC, but fans is certainly a start. Then, I also love the floor pattern. Seats are great. I honestly love these seats. They're comfortable, but they're not like ratting. I don't love the ratting because it always gets like on you and pokes and it's a pain. So once we get to Kings Highway, what we're gonna do is I think the next car is very similar to this one. So once we get there, we are gonna change cars and look at the next car over, and then at Brighton Beach, we'll get on to the next car and so on and so forth until we get to a group 2 where at Kings Highway they're absolutely different, at which point I'll want to do a round trip.
And we've got an R46 right there.
Because this is a 6-car train and there are a ton of different types.
If you don't know, the R46s are the oldest trains in the New York subway. They're going to be retired by the brand new R211 soon. Passing Neck Road right now. If you are enjoying the video, please remember to like and subscribe. I know pretty much every YouTuber in existence tells you to do that, but I only am asking you to if you actually like the video.
Exactly the same as this one.
Also, if you have a comment or constructive criticism or anything like that,
Certainly the rider experience on these trains is much better than it was on those skate cars.
then please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.
Alright, let's change cars. I mean, the livery's different.
That's certainly something. Still though, it's not much.
This one looks cooler, I think.
I do like this livery. And we're on a train of many metals,
Tell me
R9,
what you think in the comments below.
R9 or R10 shuttle train to Brighton Beach.
This is interesting. Pause the video and rate it.
I don't know if you can actually see it. Hopefully you can.
Alright, I think we're finally leaving. These things, I mean, they honestly really bring me back.
I did move to the R32 there. For those of you who don't know, I am a huge fan of the R32s.
Alright, we're... Sam. I mean, these things are amazing.
They really are. I am a huge fan. Also, 62 years is just incredible. Okay, read this, I guess, because why not? Because it's cool. Let me know what your favorite train
Let's
today
look at the ads.
is down below in the comments.
There's the usual R32 retirement run ads.
They're just on every R32 nowadays.
That BMT Standard was going fast. I really wish that they had one or two cars in the original R32 condition in here.
Not the original one. I mean the one that they were in, like, after the general overhaul program.
Like in the condition when they were retired from like 2020 or whatever.
Yeah. I don't know. It's just something that
As far as I can
wish
tell,
happened.
the only difference between these cars, the only difference between these cars, this car, and the actual original ones is that there are like a few things that are obvious if you look.
Like the like old quote unquote roll signs
Like
on
it says Morrison, Cudson, Rebuilders. And in the original condition, they had not even touched an R32. We had to rebuild it. I suppose they could have written on one, I guess.
So the other difference is that instead of the actual roll signs on the front and back, there are actually stickers that take the place of roll signs that are over the flip dot displays. So I do find that cool. Alright, we've made it to Brighton Beach.
Brooklyn Unions.
We're going to a different place now.
Let's head to the next car, shall we?
Here we Do not try that at home. As in, don't do it while the train is moving.
These things are awesome.
Yeah. Just don't be stupid, guys, okay? Great.
I'll see you guys when we're moving. Totally getting out of here. I am shocked. Made it to Kings Highway. Sorry I couldn't film. It was very crowded. All right. Let's move to this car. Is this an R11? I don't know what this is.
Spoiler alert, Eli. It's an R16.
What are these? Let's see. I have no clue. I have no stinking clue.
Yep. And train of Matty Metals R16. This is a shuttle train terminating at Kings Highway. Let's get into it.
Are these like R16s, maybe? They look like 50s trains. From the design. I don't know though. Anyway, I'll see you when we're leaving. Alright, we're leaving. Alright, let's look around these trains. I like these seats. They're good metal. They're nice.
They're also quite comfortable.
So you want to take this one first one that comes when we come back, or you want to take this nostalgia?
Sure, 57th Street, whatever you say.
If you didn't have enough time to read that, the roll sign said that this train was terminating at 57th Street, which it obviously is
so
not.
I asked a Transit Museum employee, this is an R16.
You think?
R16s are great, honestly. I like them.
They're cool, but not that cool for me, to be honest.
Holy moly, we're cruising.
Just going fast, yeah. If you are enjoying the video, please consider liking and subscribing to Trade Federal 101. It's completely free and it really does help support me and the channel. Also, if you have any thoughts, criticism, etc.,
Thank you. Excuse me.
ideas, or just want to share an insight,
Car.
please leave a comment. I read every comment that you guys post. So
Yeah, this is the R11, I think. I love R11s. They're honestly awesome. Real shame. So let's get a train tour, shall we? I love the R11s. They are honestly awesome. Right, train tour. I love the red floors. Green walls, I think, go well with the red. I love the walls.
I really like the outside walls. The inside
Seats
ones
similar
are
to the
meh.
R16s.
The seats are similar to the R16s, which means they're great. Now, these trains actually have some really interesting.
I've acquired standing room.
They've got some super interesting history. They were built as a prototype 10-car train. They were the first ever all-steel New York subway trains. And they were built in the 1950s, I think.
There we go. They couldn't run
For the
today,
Second Avenue
unfortunately.
subway. They were nicknamed the $1 Million Train because a 10-car train costed $1 million to build. Now, if only they costed that much now, but unfortunately we're paying up $2 million a car. I think that's what the R211s cost.
Oh, okay. Yeah, everybody's.
Let me know your thoughts on the R11s in the comment section below. I am actually interested to hear your thoughts. Like I said, I do read every comment that I get.
So like Thursday, I was in Hamilton. First time I caught the Amelia movement at speed. Oh, okay.
All right. Let's just speed on through all the way down to Kings Highway Station.
And we've stopped again.
Fun. There we go.
Alright, Kings Highway.
Or at least that's where we're now arriving. Now, the R11s were actually eventually converted to trains called R34s so that they were intercompatible with other trains. They also, unfortunately, lost some of their innovations. Alright.
Okay.
That's the R11.
Alright, see you guys later. So, I have moderately annoying news, which is that my camera is about to die. Because my camera's about to die, we're gonna save the BMT standards for tomorrow. Tomorrow, for me, will probably be a week from whenever you're watching this, or from when this video came out. So, I'll see you then. Bye.